And it says ready to go.
0 feet altitude, 8 feet distance, 9 miles per hour, 97% battery.
See if I get any stupidity here. Brand new camera. Start mission. There we go.
(223 feet altitude, 155 feet distance, 27
All
miles
looks
per
good.
hour, 93% battery.
I had a start compass error, which I'd started it, but couldn't get my damn phone to connect to the freaking iPad. Why? I don't know. Should have did it usually do it as soon as I turn everything on. I'm sitting here with the thing turned on and battery's draining. It's like, come on. Out here at the cemetery, I don't know if I said that. Sun is setting as usual. This is probably at this time of year the toughest time to fly because you don't have a big window because the sun angle in the sky is so bad. And so you have to wait till it kind of sets, but
2,510 feet distance, 26 miles per hour, 88% battery.
so that doesn't give you a lot of time to fly. I saw some hood rats down there. My picture is sketchy, so I can't really tell. Yeah, I don't know why my freaking phone didn't connect. Oh well. It will.
(298 feet altitude, 4,237 feet distance.
This here's my old faithful
2 miles per hour, 83%
Crash
battery.
Bandicoot. Put a brand new camera assembly in. Had all kinds of trouble with the stupid thing with sensor errors and this error and that error. So I got, actually it was a new camera gimbal board I had to get. I got all new parts just because I could. So I did. I needed them. Taking it apart, putting it together like 10 times. It causes wear and tear on the board where you plug the little tabs in. You think you fix it, you put it back together, it's not working right, you gotta take it apart again.
299 feet altitude, 5,878 feet distance, 26 miles per hour, 79% battery.
Now the picture looks blurry to me, but I can't tell if it's because of the distance. And it's not that high, it's only 300 feet. Driving out here was like brutal. You're driving right into that sun. For a little while. Then you get out right before you get up here and the roads go down and it's like driving through the dark. It's weird. Got some hood rats watching me over across the field.
286 feet altitude, 5,158 feet distance, 26 miles per hour, 74% battery.
I hope that's in focus. I don't know. I can't focus it when I'm flying, so. Doesn't look that sharp to me. Yeah, it didn't manually focus. Let me try it on the horizon.
241 feet altitude, 4,423 feet distance, 16 miles per hour,
It's not locking in.
70% battery.
And it's going to be a wasted flight. Oh, I had set for the wrong mode. Excellent. It's because it's a brand new camera.
$291 feet altitude, 4,011 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 65% battery.
And it fixed the focus. But blew my mission. Now I can't finish it.
$291 feet altitude, 4,050 feet distance.
Put it in jet mode.
0 miles per hour, 61% battery.
It looks nice and sharp now. There's two modes to autofocus apparently, and it was on one of the wrong modes, so. Always something. Always something. Could have been worse. I want to check something out at Amazon because they're going to be blasting, and I think I know what they're going to blast now. I thought about it.
$291 feet altitude, 3,110 feet distance, 35 miles per hour, 50% battery.
If I could just lose connection. Picture's real sketchy. This is pretty far from where I am. Right there, that gray thing. I originally thought that was just like a pile of gravel, but now I'm thinking that's probably rocks. A big piece of bedrock. I can't really tell till
358 feet altitude.
unless I get closer.
5,424 feet distance.
It'd be better to do
6
that from
miles per hour. 40%
right over there. I
battery.
can't see. It looks like it's either just something that a dump truck put there, gravel, or it's actually what they have to blast. So I don't know. I don't know. Because I don't see anything else that they would need to blast over here. Like what? I'm going to start bringing it home.
$263 feet altitude. 4,608 feet distance. 38 miles per hour. 34% battery.
So the beginning of this flight's going to be shitty with the picture, but I knew that. Right, that happens. You get new equipment, and then you got to adjust everything. Getting dark fast. Getting a high wind warning.
$261 feet altitude. Warning, aircraft battery at 25%. 1,526 feet distance. 28 miles per hour. 24% battery.
A couple hood rats are going to go visit over here.
Warning,
There he
aircraft
is.
battery at 21%.
There's about 3 or 4 of them. You don't even hear it. Now they do.
12 feet altitude. 296 feet distance. 3 miles per hour. 19% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 19%.
Someone right in front of them. That's a buck. He ain't scared. I can see the drone is literally 5 feet away from him.
Warning, aircraft battery at 15%. Feet altitude. 30 feet distance. 0 miles per hour. 13% battery. Warning, aircraft battery at 12%.
Just lining up for the landing. It's backwards. There's another hood rat. Coming to join the party.
Warning, aircraft
I like this
battery
kind of party.
9%.
That landed on its own. Fucking asshole. Alright, well, with the exception of my focus being out for the first half of the flight, it's just a matter of touching the right button, which I did. So moving forward, I should be okay. So, all is well. Pretty short flight, windy. Do you know about